Over the past few days, I've been flooded with questions, and one that really grabbed my attention was, how can I create viral Disney-style animated story videos using AI tools and actually make money doing it? You've probably seen these types of videos everywhere, dominating TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram Reels. What many don't realize is that the creators behind them are absolutely crushing it financially. And the craziest part, they're surprisingly easy to make. In this video, I'm going to break down that exact process, step by step, ensuring perfect character consistency throughout your video. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to create these videos today, all using 100% free AI tools. It's completely beginner-friendly. No prior experience is needed, as I'll guide you through every single step. You won't have to spend a dime. And if you stick around until the very end, I'll even reveal my secret ChatGPT prompt template for maximizing your earnings with these videos. This will be a complete step-by-step guide. If you find value in this video today, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future content. Here's a short preview if you haven't seen this niche before.
They said our village would never see the sun again, but I wasn't ready to live in the dark. So one night, I climbed to the moon's lake to ask her for light. The moon spirit appeared and asked for something precious in return. I gave her my shadow.
Now, let's jump straight into it. Step 1. Generating your video ideas and complete video blueprint. Pro tip: YouTube thrives on long-form content. To truly monetize this effectively and build a solid brand, I highly recommend creating longer videos. But don't worry, you can easily repurpose this content into short-form videos to gain views faster, go viral, and attract new subscribers. To kickstart this process, we need to generate content ideas for our Disney animated story video channel. As always, I don't want you to stress about what to create, so I've already prepared the prompt you'll use. First, open the Google Doc file I've provided. You can find the link in the description below. I've put together a ChatGPT template specifically for this. This document contains all the prompts used in this video. Go to the first section, copy that block of text, and head over to ChatGPT. Once you're on ChatGPT, paste the text and click the Generate button. ChatGPT will then craft video idea titles for your first 5 videos. Kindly note, when you look at the prompt I provided, you can easily change the number of video ideas you want it to generate for you. Once it's finished generating these video ideas, scroll down and review them. When you're happy with the results, we need to start generating the complete blueprint for your first video. This includes your video script for the voiceover, your YouTube title, tags, description, hashtags, text-to-image prompts, and much more. To do that, simply head back to the Google Doc template file. Scroll to the designated section of the text, then copy that block of text down to the specified point. Once you've done that, return to ChatGPT, paste the text you just copied, then edit and replace the placeholder title with the title of your first video that ChatGPT generated for you earlier from your list of 5 video ideas. Then click the Generate button to let ChatGPT create your complete video blueprint. Once it finishes generating, you'll have a comprehensive video blueprint ready to create your viral Disney animated story videos. So let's move on. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Step 2. Generating your voiceovers and image scenes. All right. Now that you have your blueprint, we just need to start generating the voiceover for our video and the image scenes that we'll use to create our complete final video. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do this for free. To begin, scroll down in your blueprint and find your voiceover narrations. Copy the first line, then open a blank Google Doc page and paste the voiceover narration text you just copied from ChatGPT. Repeat this step until you have all your voiceover narrations inside the blank Google Doc page you created. Now it's time to generate the voiceover for your script. To do that, simply head back to Google AI Studio. Click on Chat. Once you're on this page, select Audio this time, and then select Gemini 2.5 Pro Preview TTS. You'll then be taken to a new page. On this page, look at your right-hand side menu, and under Mode, simply select Single Speaker Audio. You can leave the mode settings as they are, or you can slightly adjust the temperature bar, which will subtly alter the tone of the voice. Here is a pro tip. I recommend you first leave the temperature settings as default, generate your audio, and then listen to it. Download that version first. Then you can adjust the temperature settings to alter the voice tone, generate a new audio, and compare which of the two you prefer for your video. Let's continue. Under Voice, click it and simply scroll down. You can click the play button here to listen to the voices and find the one you'd like to use. Once you settle on a voice you like, come here under Style Instructions. We need to add a tone setting that we want Google AI Studio to use when generating the voiceover. So head back to ChatGPT and scroll down. In your complete blueprint, you'll find the section Voiceover Settings. Copy the text there. Then go back to Google AI Studio. Under Style Instructions, paste the voiceover settings you just copied. Then, down here under Text, simply head back to your Google Doc that holds your voiceover narration text. Copy the entire text, and then head over to Google AI Studio and paste it here. Once that's done, click the Run button to generate your voiceover. This will take a few minutes depending on the length of your script, so just wait for it. Once the voiceover has been generated, you can simply listen to it by clicking the Play button. Once you're happy, click the Download button to save it to your device. Remember, you can rerun this multiple times to find the voiceover sound you like, or you can adjust your temperature settings and click Run to change the tone. You can also change the voice you picked from this section here. Now, once your voiceover has been generated, we can move to the next phase, generating our image scenes for our video. To do that, simply head over to the website called 𝗢𝗢𝗄𝗂𝗧. It's made by Google, so it's 100% free to use. If it asks you to sign up, simply do so using your Gmail. Now here comes the fun part, generating our scenes. To do that, simply go back to ChatGPT. Then scroll down and find Visual Prompt. Once you see that, you'll notice that ChatGPT has generated visuals for each scene of your voiceover narration. So, all you have to do is copy the prompt for the first scene and then head over to 𝗢𝗢𝗄𝗧, paste it into the text box. Then go back to ChatGPT and find Global Image Style Prompt. This particular prompt is very important because you'll mix it with every scene you generate to maintain a consistent style. Now, copy it and go back to 𝗢𝗢𝗄𝗧. Then paste it here before the initial scene prompt you pasted earlier. Once you've done that, before you click the Create button, you first need to click this padlock icon button here. What this does is it locks the style seed, ensuring you get consistency across all your images or characters. You can also click this button here to select the image dimension you want. For example, if you are creating long-form YouTube videos, select the 16:9 dimension. If you want YouTube Shorts or TikTok video dimensions, click the 9:16 option. And you can also try other formats depending on where you want to upload your videos. Then click the Create button so 𝗢𝗢𝗄𝗧 will generate your images for you. This will take a few minutes, so please wait. Once the images have been generated, find the one you like and click the Download button to save it. Now, repeat this same step for all the scene prompts ChatGPT gave you. Once that's all done, we can move on to generating our video scenes. Step 3. Generating your video scenes. Here is a pro tip. Due to the current limitations of AI video generation, the typical limit for a video is only 5 to 8 seconds long. So, when creating your script scenes, I highly recommend specifically asking the AI tool of your choice, for example, ChatGPT, to make the scene voiceovers short enough to be easily read within 5 to 7 seconds. Also, ask it to break your scenes down into 7-second segments for each scene. This ensures that when you're generating your videos and editing them, your voiceover perfectly matches each video scene, making your video flow naturally and look high quality. Now let's proceed. The tool we are going to be using today is Grok AI. This is a tool made by Elon Musk's XI, and it is a powerful tool that allows you to create unlimited, high-quality videos for free. Well, at least for now. Let me show you how to use it. Now go to grok.com. Once you're there, if you don't have an account, kindly sign up. It's free using your Gmail account. Now click on the Imagine option in the menu, and then you'll be taken to the page where you can make use of the Grok image and video generation tool. Side note, Grok works similarly to ChatGPT. You can use it to generate scripts, learn about things, generate images and videos, and even code if you're into that. Okay, so once you're here, click this paperclip icon, then click on Upload a File. Now, select one of the images you created earlier using Google Image FX, for example, Scene 1 image, and then click Open to upload it to Grok. Automatically, Grok will start converting that image to a video. Once that's done, we need to specifically ask Grok AI to use our own visual animation prompt that ChatGPT gave us for our specific scenes. So go back to ChatGPT and scroll down to Visual Animation. Now copy the animation prompt for the first scene and then go back to Grok. Once you're here, paste that visual animation prompt into this box and then click the Make Video button. Grok will then start regenerating the visual animation for our image based on the prompt we just typed. Now, once that's done, you can watch it and then click this down arrow icon here to download the video. Now, repeat these same steps for all your other scenes to get their videos generated. Another pro tip, while you can use Grok AI to create these videos, if you're using a different premium AI tool that uses credits and you know those credits can be expensive, I highly recommend you only generate videos for the important parts of your script. Then use images for the remainder, essentially blending both images and video scenes together to create your story video. Now that you've gotten all your scene videos generated, let's move on to the final part. Step 4. Editing your viral scary video. Don't worry, even if you've never edited before, I'll show you how to do it. It's not difficult. Now watch me. First, you'll need video editing software. There are many options out there, and all of them can accomplish this task. But we'll be using CapCut PC for this process. Please note that this also works for mobile users, so download the CapCut PC software if you don't have it. You can download and install it from their website. Once you have it, simply open it. You'll land on a page where you'll click Create New Project. Now, once the new project interface opens, simply click the Import button and import all your assets, your voiceovers, videos, and images, if you only generated videos for your important scenes earlier. Now, once they are imported, simply click the plus button beside the voiceover audio or simply drag it onto your timeline. Next, you need to also drag your video scenes to your timeline. To do that, simply add the first video scene. Now listen to your audio or reference back to your Google Doc file containing your voiceover narration to see where each scene's voiceover text ended. Now extend or reduce the video by dragging it to the length of the specific voiceover scene. Then repeat this same process for all the remaining video scenes. Once you've done that, if your display monitor isn't in the right dimension for your video, simply click this button to change it. Once that's done, you need to add keyframes to your images if you are blending images with your videos. Keyframes are simple elements that will take your image from looking completely static to being animated. For example, let's add an image scene. To add keyframes, simply go to your first image or video scene. take your playhead to the start and click the image or video. Then go to this section here where you see Transform. Click on the diamond-shaped button. This allows you to add a keyframe to the start position of your video. Now, once you've done that, take your playhead to the end of the first image or video scene. Then go to this section again and click the Transform Diamond button to add another keyframe. For this keyframe, increase the scale to 140. Now, let's preview it. Good. Now you can see the difference. Once you've done that, repeat the same step for all your image or video scenes to add keyframe motion to them. But in our example today, we won't be using images, so let me quickly delete it. Once you've added keyframes to all your images or video, the next step is to add captions. So move your mouse to the caption option here and click on it. Now, on this page, just click Create Generate. It takes a few minutes, and then CapCut will generate your captions for you. To make your captions stylish, click on any of the captions. Then go to this section here and click Templates. Now, on this page, scroll down and find the caption template you like, then select it. CapCut will then replace the style with the new one you selected. Kindly feel free to play with the different templates here to find the one you like. Here is a tip. If you see this purple diamond stuff on any template, transitions, audios, etc., just know that that item is a paid item and only for CapCut subscribers. So, unless you have CapCut Pro, try to avoid them. In the future, when you start making money, or if you have money to invest, you can upgrade to Pro. After that, you need to add transitions to your image scenes. To do that, simply click on Transitions here. Then click the camera option. You will find a transition called Pull In. Now you should note that this transition is free for your first 10 videos. It is not necessary you should use it, but I am just showing you how to use it. Select it and drag it to the cut between two scenes. Once you've done that, repeat this process for all your image scenes to add a transition across them. Next, you can add background music. To do that, you need to go to the Audio tab. Then, find free background music you like that fits your video voiceover. Now, reduce the volume of the background music so it doesn't overpower the main voiceover audio. Once you're done with that, you can then click this button here to preview your work. Now, once you're happy with your video, simply click the Export button to export the video you just created. Make sure to give it a good name. Preferably, use the title of the video when exporting it. And then click Export. And there you have it. You can now upload this video to your new YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram Reels and start getting thousands of views and making a lot of money online. Here's a pro tip. If you want a long video for YouTube, adjust the ChatGPT prompt for generating your script and voiceovers by just telling it to make the script for a 10-minute or whatever duration of video you want to create, and then generate the images and videos for it. So that's how you can easily create high-quality, viral, animated story AI videos using ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, Google ImageFX, Grok AI, and CapCut. Just make sure to upload daily or every 2 days to maintain your consistency. Because like everything in life, consistency is key to building your channel's reputation and providing YouTube or TikTok with the necessary data to build the type of audiences that watch your videos. This will prompt it to an even bigger pool of people, and that's how you go viral. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or have a video topic you'd like me to cover, write it down in the comment section below and I'll take my time to go through them. See you in the next one.